How to earn money online without investment in 2026. Even if you have no experience and nothing to sell, that's okay. This is going to be the perfect video for you, especially if you're thinking, wait a minute, James, it's still 2025. Why are you talking about 2026? Well, what I'm about to show you, very few people know about, which makes it the perfect opportunity for beginners to jump in because there's hardly any competition. If you're watching this in 2026, don't worry, it's not too late. This platform is just taking off, but this is a platform that's extremely easy to use for beginners, and there's only 3 steps to follow to get started. You're going to sign up, you're going to get approved, and you're going to start making money. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to walk you through all of these steps to get started with this. Now, the first step is to head to copythelist.com and click this green button to make a copy of my list of money making links. Now, there's going to be dozens of links on this list that you can use to make money online. I'm going to be showing you how to use one of them specifically to get started, but then you can replicate the process for as many of the other links on this list as possible. And before we go ahead and get started, I want you to know it's super important that you come here to copythelist.com, click this green button. I don't want your email, you don't have to pay for anything. The next step is to just click this blue button that says make a copy, and it's going to make a copy of my money making links spreadsheet to your Google account, so you have these links so that you don't lose them and you know exactly where to get started. So this is what the spreadsheet looks like. Once you get this spreadsheet, we're going to be using this very top link here where it says hot. Now, it's important that you get access to this tool through the link on this spreadsheet, and I'll tell you why. You're going to click this button that says OfferLab because this is the platform that we're going to be using to get started as a beginner making money online. Now, you don't want to just go to the OfferLab homepage and sign up. Of course, you're free to do that. You can if you want, but the reason you want to use the link here on this spreadsheet is because when you sign up through this link, and again, this is free to sign up, you sign up through this link, you get pre-approval to promote my products. So what that means is I'm going to let you sell my products and keep the money. One of my products, I let you keep 100% of the money. So you can sell it, keep all the money. The other ones have various levels of commissions where you can earn money as an affiliate. Now, all that means is you are going to be sharing links to my product and making money anytime people buy them. But it's not just my product. This platform is going to give you the option to promote hundreds, probably even thousands of products at this point. And as you can see, there's a variety of products. There's physical products like supplements and t-shirts and jewelry and shoes and clothes, stuff like that, phone holders. There's digital products like courses. There's in-person events like seminars. There's all kinds of stuff you can promote here on this website. And again, you're just going to find this by coming here to the marketplace once you get signed up, and you can find the products that way. Now, again, if you sign up using the link here on this spreadsheet at copythelist.com, you're going to get pre-approval to promote my products, which means you won't have to come to the marketplace, you won't have to search, and you won't have to get approved. So like if I click on one of these products here, you'll see that I have to click this button that says promote this offer, and then I have to wait for the creator of this product to come to their messages, see the message, look at my profile, see if I'm worthy of promoting the product, and then make a decision from there, right? So in a sense, I can't get started until this person approves my offer. But if you come here to copythelist.com and you sign up for OfferLab through this link right here at the top of this spreadsheet, you will get pre-approval to promote my products, which are, if you're new to my channel, I have a variety of products for sale here on this website, and it starts with the Profit Passively checklist. This is an AI affiliate automation checklist that shows people how to get started making money on social media. And what you'll see here is you get 100% commission for promoting this product. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to talk forever. We're actually going to dive into this tool, and I'm going to show you how to set up one of these links for yourself that you can just share and make money anytime someone buys. But before we do that, I want to show you my other products real quick. So if I come here to my vault, you'll see I have 4 products. I have the Profit Passively checklist, which I showed you is $1. I also have an eBook, which is $7. Then I have an AI automated affiliate marketing course, which is $97, and then I have a private membership, which is about $1,400. So the reason that's important is we can quickly set up a funnel that walks people through the different offers to see how much money they're looking to spend. Maybe they want to spend more than $1, right? So maybe they buy the checklist for $1, and then they see the ebook and they buy that for $7. So now we've made $8 instead of 1. We've 8 extra profit with just a simple link. And then on top of that, maybe they want to spend $97 for a course. Maybe they want to spend $1,400 on a membership. But all you're going to do to get one of these links set up for yourself, I promise you, we're going to get started right now. We're not wasting any time. I know a lot of YouTubers like to talk your head off and keep you watching as long as possible for ad revenue. I don't care about the ad revenue. I want to show you how to get started. So what we're going to do is click this button that says funnels here. And again, this is once you are approved to promote a product. So if you just signed up on your own, you're going to have to wait to get approved. But if you went to copythelist.com and you click this button, OfferLab, then you'll already have pre-approval to do this. So you can start doing this right now, today, and potentially even earn your first commission today. So again, we're going to come here to where it says funnels. You're going to click this button that says new funnel, and we're going to set this up. It's going to take about 2 minutes. So it's going to start by asking you your primary offer. And so you'll see the offers that you're approved for over here. So if you want to start with my $1 checklist, you will just click the checklist. And again, you get to keep 100% of the money from this. So it's only $1, which means it's easy to get people to take out their credit card and buy it, because who can't afford $1, right? So they take out their credit card, they spend $1, and you get to keep that $1. That's it. But now you can see that we can add an order bump. So we can add an order bump here, and then I can select my ebook. So now they came here to spend $1. Now we can say, hey, do you want this book for just $7? And then they check out. They go ahead and pay for that. So they buy that stuff, and then we can add another offer. So I'll click here on my offers. This is what you'll be pre-approved to promote. Again, you can get approved to promote as much stuff as you want. You might just have to wait around to get approved for that. So the next thing we want to do is just click the next product that we want to sell. So we can go ahead and add my course next. So now we've offered them the checklist, we've offered them the ebook, they bought that, so now I can put my course, and then I can even add another offer on top of this just by clicking this add offer button here. Looks like it's taking a second to load. And then I'm going to select the membership. So now what we've done is we've created a funnel that walks people through a buying process. And again, in just a second, we're going to publish this, and I'll show you the link and how this works. So basically what I'm showing you here is how to copy my website by clicking a few buttons and then keep the money it generates. So again, here's the funnel: checklist, ebook, course, membership. So what you could do here also is where it says share why visitors will love this product, and there's a box for this on each of the products that you have. It lets you add content to these pages. So you can take my sales page for this checklist, and then you click this button, and it will let you add your own text and video to my sales page. So you see here, description. You can write why you love this product in here. This is awesome. It helped me make my first $100 online fast, or whatever it is, whatever reason you like the product you're promoting. And then you can click this button here, and you can actually upload images or video, and this will be added directly to my sales page. So I don't have a video ready to upload here, but we'll save the text in there so you can see what I'm talking about. So you'll take a few more minutes here to go through and customize this. You'll add a message for the checkout, you can add a message for the upsell page and for the next upsell. So you'll customize this for the people that you're going to be sharing this link with. Maybe you'll be sharing the link on Facebook or email or on your blog, whatever it is. So the next step is going to be to click publish. And again, this costs you nothing to set up. You can now make hundreds of dollars in affiliate commissions, again, because you're pre-approved to promote my products. And so when they sell, you'll be earning a significant portion of the money. So here it even lets you customize this with your own custom domain if that's what you want to do. But if you want to do this for free, you're just going to leave it at OfferLab domain. Click publish now, and look at that, your funnel is live. So if I just copy this link and we open a new tab here and we put the link in, now you see there is my sales page there. But this specific sales page has your affiliate link, which means anyone who buys this product through this link that you just created, you keep 100% of the $1 that they spend. And then on top of that, if you look at my other products, the ebook is $7. That pays 75% commission. So you get to keep 3/4 of the money. You didn't spend time learning the material. You didn't spend time compiling it and researching and spending months and months and months writing the book like I did. You didn't spend a week building the sales pages and the checkout and the product and integrating all that. You didn't do anything. All you did was click a button to sign up for this platform, then you click the button to add this product to your funnel, and now you're earning 3/4 of the money for every time that sells. That's pretty cool. My course pays 60% commission, so again, you're getting more than half the money just for sharing the link. You didn't have to learn the stuff, you didn't have to make the course, you didn't have to do any of that. You're just sharing a link. So that's why I say that this is by far the easiest way to earn money online without investment in 2026, 2025, 2027. Whenever you're doing this, I've never seen an easier way for beginners to get started. So again, you just head to copythelist.com, you click the green button, then you click the blue button, and then you're going to sign up for this top offer here where it says OfferLab, which will give you pre-approval to promote my products. So you're going to click this button that says sell, then you're going to click on funnels, you're going to click new funnel, and then you're going to just stack the products up like I showed you into a funnel, and then you're going to publish it, and you're going to copy this link that it gives you right here, and this is the link that you're going to go share on social media, or you're going to send people in an email or a text message or show your friends, whatever you're going to do. But anyways, that is the easiest way to earn money online without investment. So if you want to learn more about how to get traffic to these offers, right now you've set up this link that has the potential to make you money, you actually need to get people clicking on it. So if you're having trouble getting people to click on your links and you want to see how I'm able to reach close to 1 million people per month across all the different social media platforms, then just go ahead and buy the checklist. It's $1. Think about all the other dumb stuff you've spent $1 on in the past. A coffee costs more than $1. A breakfast sandwich at McDonald's costs more than $1. So even if this turns out to be a total waste and you buy it and you're like, man, James, this thing is a piece of junk. I don't want it. I don't need it. Right? It's going to be probably the insignificant. Whereas the upside, the potential, if you buy this and you're like, man, James, this is awesome. This showed me step by step exactly what I needed to do to start reaching thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people per month, then this $1 could be the best investment you've ever made. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Comment down below on this video. Tell me if you think this method works. Tell me if you're going to try it. Tell me if you're excited about it. Tell me if you think it's all a scam. I just want to hear your thoughts on this. So anyways, here's what I was talking about with that custom message. It's going to show up right here at the top of the sales page. Here's that message I typed. This is awesome. It helped me make my first $100 online fast. And again, if you uploaded a video, there would be your video right here of you, or you could use an AI video. It's going to be right here at the top of the sales page, personalizing this, telling people why you like it, and then they're going to get, obviously, my sales message here to convince them to buy. And again, this product's only $1, so they'll already have their credit card out when they see the next offers in the funnel, which is my ebook and my course and my membership. So other than that, I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, take a second to click the thumbs up button on this and maybe share this to one of your social media profiles so that your friends can see it and they can start earning money online without investment. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.